Hello and welcome back to Joe Stunner Boxing. Now, I made a video this morning about Julio Cesar Chavez and the fact that he has been detained by the US Department of Homeland Security, their division, ICE, the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, are currently in the news because they're running around arresting all sorts of people under the guise that they are alleged illegal aliens. I'm sure some are and probably some aren't, but the point is that Julio Cesar Chavez has been arrested following multiple fraudulent statements on his application to become a lawful permanent resident. He was determined to be in the country illegally and removable on June 27th, 2025. Now, there are also other accusations that Chavez Jr. is a criminal. And these involved a supposed connection to a drug trafficking crime syndicate called the Sinaloa cartel. Okay, and Donald Trump has deemed these a foreign terrorist organization. Chavez, I believe, was married to someone whose brother was a leading light in this cartel. So I know some of you guys left comments. You obviously know more about this than I do. But the point is that guilt by association, Chavez Jr., you're nicked. And also Chavez Jr., of course, long before this, we knew he was no shrinking violet. He's got DUI convictions on his record. He got busted for smoking weed. No big deal really, is it? But, it's black mark against you in the eyes of any kind of immigration authority. And most, I think, importantly of all, he's got a charge from 2024 regarding an illegal firearm. So as a result of this, there's a report from the DHS, Department of Homeland Security, detailed to this ICE organization that identifies Chavez as an egregious public safety threat. However, an entry in a Department of Homeland Security law enforcement system under the previous administration, Joe Biden's administration, indicted Chavez was not an immigration enforcement priority. So, read into that what you will. There's Biden versus Trump. We know all about that, and maybe they're trying to make Biden look bad. I don't know. I don't really care, to be honest with you. But Chavez was permitted by the Biden administration to re-enter the US on January the 4th, and they paroled him into the country, the US, at the San Isidro port of entry. Okay, now he's been arrested, now he's being kicked out. Okay, now Chavez's family and his lawyer have come out to give their side of the story, or at least make a statement of defiance. Because Michael Goldstein, who is Chavez's attorney, told the Associated Press, the current allegations are outrageous and simply another headline to terrorize the community. We know about the controversy with ICE. We know about the debate going on about immigrants, illegal immigrants, legal immigrants being kicked out under the guise of some technicality. This whole debate is going on. But the Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, they're not having it. They're doing the work that Trump said he would do when he was elected. One thing you have to say about Trump is he never hid it. He never hid it. He was open about it. But on we go, and Chavez's side of things, they are going on and on. They are going on with a defiant air. They're denying the charges, and also the Chavez family made comment. They said, I don't know whether this was senior speaking or whether it was just a statement by the Chavez family, probably looked at through legal eyes, or maybe this statement was half written by lawyers. But it says, our family is deeply saddened by the current situation. In these difficult times, we reiterate our total and unconditional support for Julio. We fully trust in his innocence and his humanity, as well as in the justice institutions of both Mexico and the United States, in whom we place our hope that this situation will be clarified according to law and truth. A joint statement from the Chavez family does sound as if it's been written with a sort of legal eagle looking over their shoulder. But anyway, Julio is above all a son, a father, and a human being who has faced multiple challenges in his personal and professional life. As a family, we respectfully ask that due process be guaranteed and that premature judgments that violate his dignity and that of those around him are avoided. We sincerely appreciate the media's interest and coverage, and we appeal to your sensitivity and understanding to respect our decision not to issue further statements at this time. We firmly believe that the appropriate course of action is to allow the competent authorities to carry out their work without external pressure or speculation. We pray for a prompt resolution that clarifies the facts in Julio's favour, and we reiterate our call for prudence, respect and objectivity. Okay, so that just about covers all bases from the Chavez family. Will they be left alone? Probably not. How will this end? No idea. I think the charge with the firearm, that does sound serious. Traffic violations, being caught with a bit of the old Bob Marley. No one really cares, I don't think, about that. Although they can be used as sticks to batter you with, of course. But the firearms, the weapons possession charge, illegal weapon, that again, that comes from 2024, and I believe there is a hearing on coming Monday, which would be, it's the 7th, isn't it? 7th of July on Monday. So we will see what happens. But yeah. Oh, curiouser and curiouser. I mean, it's like I said before, it's like a bloody soap opera, isn't it? You know. Anyway, if you've got any comments, leave them below. Maybe you've heard something I haven't heard. And, you know. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll build the channel up. Thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and bye for now.